So here the denominator and the numerator of a proper function differ by 2 if 3 is subtracted from the both numerator and denominator, and 1 by 4 is added to the resulting fraction, the sum becomes 1. What is the fraction? So we don't know the fraction, so we can assume this as x by y, and now it shows it will be a proper function. That means y must be greater than x, and another thing is like the difference will be 2. So we can write y minus 2 is equal to x, or y is equal to x plus 2. So our function is x divided by x plus 2. So this is our function. We need to find this. So now it says if 3 is subtracted from both the numerator and denominator. So we'll write x minus 3 and x plus 2 minus 3. And then 1 by 4 is added is equal to, and this resulting sum will be 1. So we can write x minus 3, x minus 1 is equal to 1 minus 1 by 4. And here we can write 4 minus 1. So it will be 3 by 4. And now we'll multiply crossly. So 4 into 3x is equal to 3 into x minus 1. So 4x minus 12, 3x minus 3. So now we can write 4x minus 3x is equal to minus 3 plus 12, 9. So x is equal to 9. So we got the numerator. So another value is x plus 2 is equal to 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. So our fraction is 9 by 11, and that's our answer.